Hi, this is AliShanMao and this is OFM GQuad 8 Octa, the giant Octocopter folding frame. We have built this machine for one of our customers in Saudi Arabia. This is a simple introduction. At the moment, this Octa is set in I8 configuration. So if we look at it from behind, the yellow strips are the forward section. So that is quad configurations. So plus and quad configurations together make an Octa. Why I call it plus and quad configuration? Because it's very easy to understand how to mount props and which way the motors are spinning. So if you look at the cross, that's your 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, those are your 1, 3, 5, 7 motors or ESCs. So in the cross, they will spin counterclockwise. Okay, all will spin in counterclockwise, and in X they will spin clockwise because this is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. They will spin clockwise. So cross counterclockwise and X is clockwise spinning. Very easy to remember and very easy to set up the I8 configuration. Now, even a kid can assemble this frame because most of the parts just come assembled. All you need to do is put the arms in and set the landing gear on it. Folding mechanism is really easy to set. Basically, if you see here, this piece is actually fixed right now. It cannot move because there's a screw in here, the lock nut. But if you remove this screw, this whole arm will fall down, so it will fold down. Okay, so this is very easy. This piece here is actually simply holding it here. Similarly, all the arms have same mechanism, and the landing gear, this screw opens and the whole landing gear comes up here, and then the whole arm actually folds down here. So preparing the frame is basically piece of cake. Even a kid can prepare it, as I say. So for the convenience of my customer, I have marked all the ESCs as with their numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ESCs. They're all connected to their corresponding motors. And all the ESCs are connected. Let me move it downward a little. And if you look under here, all the ESCs are connected on a power distribution board. So all you need to do is red goes to plus, black goes to minus. So if you happen to have one ESC become bad or few ESCs, you can actually easily replace the ESCs, or even you want to change them to 50, 60 amp ESCs. At the moment they're 40A. You can easily replace the ESCs by just plugging the red to red, black to black. Okay, these cables, power cables coming out from the ESCs here, red and black, they will go to power distribution black and red, and the 3 cables from the front of the ESCs will connect to the motor's 3 cables, and after that you just need to make sure your motor spins in the right direction. WKM, the current firmware, now gives a very good tool for motor testing, so you can always test if all the motors are spinning in the right direction. Now, how to connect the WKM, how to program it, and how to program your Futaba 10CG radio system, I already have a very detailed video posted recently. Now let me put the camera on the tripod and show how to compass calibrate, how to calibrate the compass and GPS on this machine, because this is the very first time I'm going to fly them with the 3S 9000 milliamp batteries, 2 of them, so they will give in series 6S 9000 milliamp to this baby. Let me give you a brief overview of the switches. Switch E is your flight mode, manual, attitude hold, GPS position hold mode. Switch B is your RTH, so always make sure this is up. Never ever keep it down and try to fly it, because as soon as it's down, it will activate the return to home feature and your machine try to come back. So if it is down and you're trying to fly it, it's a certain crash later. Okay, switch C is your intelligent orientation control, course lock, point of interest, and off. Okay, your right trimmer should control the camera gimbal tilt angle, and left trimmer should control your camera gimbal pan angle. But right now we don't have a gimbal, so I did not set it up. Now let me turn the power on and do the compass calibration. I haven't connected the motors. For compass calibration, you can do it without motors connected. So I just connect one battery to WKM. Once the WKM powered up, it will lock the satellites and we'll go for compass calibration. right now LED is blinking 3 times in red. This means no satellites locked. As soon as all the satellites are locked, when you're in manual position, your LED will stop blinking. After that, move the switch E a number of times up and down, and you will see the LED has changed to a bluish color. So I'll just call it a blue. Now I will rotate the quad of the Octa 360-degree horizontally and until the LED changes color. Okay, it changed to green. Put the head down. Rotate, and it changed to solid white. It is solid white. Now you can disconnect the power and your compass calibration is done. Oh, this machine is really big to do calibration for me alone. Anyway, so calibration is done. Now we'll power up motors and everything and give it a flight. Here we go.